Hi there. Device groups allow admins to organize devices that share similar attributes and be used to install apps, profiles, and documents. Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to create device groups in Jamf School. Navigate to Devices, Device Groups, and click Add Group. For this example, I'm creating a group that contains all supervised devices with the instructor asset tag. So let's practice good naming conventions and name this group something to make it easy to identify. I'm naming my group supervised-instructor and leaving the description field blank. Next, we need to determine what type of group to make, a smart group or static group. Smart groups enable admins to organize devices based on one or more attributes, such as device type, building, model, or operating system. These groups have dynamic memberships that are updated when devices check in with Jamf School. A static group requires devices to be added or removed manually and are not automatically updated. Because I want group membership to update automatically, I'm selecting Smart Group. Next, we have the option to configure how apps scoped to this device group display in the Jamf Teacher or Jamf School Student apps. For this example, I don't want this group displayed to teachers or students, so I'm leaving Do Not Show selected and clicking Next. In the next three sections, we have the option to assign profiles, apps, and documents to members of this group. If you already know what you want to assign, this can be done during the group setup process. However, these can always be adjusted later after the group has been created. For this example, I'm not selecting any profiles, apps, or documents to assign right now, so I'm clicking Next to move through each section. Under the Members section, we have the option to add filters that will be used to determine who is a member of our smart group. Let's click Add Filter and select our first rule. Since I want to find supervised devices only, let's select Is Supervised and leave the parameters as equals yes. Next, let's click Add Filter again and select a second rule. This time, I'm selecting Asset Tag and typing Instructor in the blank field. With this rule set, this group will find devices that are supervised and have the instructor asset tag. If I wanted to find devices that matched either of these rules, not necessarily both, I could click Match one or more rules instead, but I want them to match all rules in order to be a member of this group. Finally, click Finish on the bottom right to create the group. With the group created, we can click Members to see the group membership. If we wanted to adjust the rules, we could make changes under the Scope section. On the left, we have the option to add apps, documents, or profiles to this group. For this example, I'm assigning the Jamf Teacher app to this group, so let's click Apps, Add, and find the Jamf Teacher app. I want Jamf Teacher to automatically be installed for group members, so I'm selecting Automatic next to the app. Click Add on the bottom right to finalize the selection. Jamf Teacher now appears in the App section and will automatically be installed once eligible devices check in with Jamf School. Thanks for watching.